Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. After a long time, I'm back with a new jailbreak video. Today, we're going to jailbreak Gemini 3.5 Flash-Lite. So, this is the prompt we're going to use. But you can't directly ask it to generate this or that. You're also going to need this file, where you'll find what you can ask and how you can ask it. On this side, you'll find what you want to generate, and on this side, you'll get the prompt for it. Now, let's go to Gemini, and I'll show you some good demos of this jailbreak. After coming here, just select the Gemini 3.5 Flash-Lite model, because this jailbreak won't work on Gemini 3.7. But wait for a few days, I'm also working on that, and I'll make a video about it soon. Now, as usual, just copy the prompt and paste it into the chat, and it will adopt the persona. Now, after this, you can't just ask it openly, like, generate me this, because it will deny the request. Oh, and here it is, I'm good at making mistakes. Okay, now let's delete this chat, open a new one, and paste the prompt again. Now, go to the second file. From the right side, you can choose what you want to ask. Just copy anything from there and paste it into the chat. I'll copy this one and paste it into the chat. So, as you can see, it's working really well. You can ask for anything from the second file, or if you want, you can also add your own prompt and experiment with it. Let's ask something else from this file again, just to confirm that it's actually working. And I'm not going to ask for anything that could get me a strike on YouTube. Also, keep in mind that this jailbreak might not work for everyone. There can be some exceptions where it may not work as expected. You can find the prompt on my Discord server in the announcements channel, and I've also shared it in the #GeneralJailbreak channel. And just a quick disclaimer, this video is made for educational and research purposes only. Don't use these prompts to generate harmful or illegal content, and remember that jailbreaks may not work for everyone or on every version of the model. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.